That sale just got snake bit. Good morning, guys. Snake here, and I am officially alone. Well, as of yesterday anyway. Yesterday's Monday, today's Tuesday. And yeah, everyone's back to school, so I'm on my own for most of the day. Anyway, so just going to show you what sold. Wasn't a very good sales day. Sold about 5 things. And then later on today, we're probably going to hit a thrift with the whole Tampa Bay Pickers family. So let me just show you what sold here. Okay, so first thing that sold is going to be this Brooks Brothers women's shirt here, sweater. There you go. And this sold for $24.99 with free ship. Next, we sold a Nike Pro Combat, and this is XL. This sold for $19.99 free ship, and that's after I took an offer. Oh, what else sold? Let's see. Okay. This little guy right here sold. It's a little Star Wars TIE Interceptor. It's die cast. It's actually pretty heavy. This sold for $12.49 with shipping stacked. All right. Next, we have this Harley Davidson. You guys saw this in one of our past videos. Picked this up at a garage sale for $1, brand new with tag. Pretty nice. And this sold for $21.99 plus shipping stacked. All right, and then the last item. These are some, oh man, I forget what they call these things. I don't think they're like moccasins, are they? Yeah, they are moccasins. Minnetonka moccasins. And these sold for $24.99 plus shipping stacked. So, you know, not a great day at all. One of our slower days. Yeah, what's the total sales on that? About $150. So, not a great day, but you have days like that regardless. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get these things packed up, and then we should see you guys at the thrift store with the family in just a minute. Hey guys, so the family's out of school. Yay! Yay! So we're on our way to a thrift, a GW thrift store, GW. See what we can find. Hopefully it doesn't take us long. But I'm in a really piss poor mood.
He really is in a piss poor mood.
Yeah, because as I was working on a new business card design, I get an email from eBay saying a customer is requesting a return of one of the DVD players we just recently sent out. Now, as you guys know, if you follow the channel, we test everything that that we sell. And the really odd thing about this is that apparently it powers on, but nothing else works. So it doesn't read DVDs. There's no sound.
How does he know there's no sound?
Yeah, which is kind of odd. If it doesn't play DVDs,
that he would know there's
that
no
he would
sound.
know that there's no sound.
Or she.
He or she, yeah. So I'm just, if it's one thing that I really dislike about this business, it's the thieves that are out there. All right, you ready? What are you, a chicken?
That was actually inside of one of the games that I had.
Is that what they teach you in school these days? How to be a chicken?
No, that's inside of a game.
Oh, it's inside of a game.
Yeah.
All right, today's color is what, purple?
Yeah.
Purple, all right.
Inside the game, once you get...
Let's see what we can find, eh? Uh-oh. It's okay.
Die in the game, you become a chicken and you're like... and you have to run away.
CSI Miami. What in the world? It's like broken inside. What the? Is that normal? Yeah, look. Or is it a, what is it? A metal body?
Yeah, I think that's...
$8. Well. What are these guys? Hey, sit down. What are you doing, psycho? Okay, no, off the hook poker gone wild. This is interesting. $3 a box, brand new, factory sealed, but there's no UPC code. Where's the UPC code? Let's see. Well, let's look it up real quick, actually. Okay. Okay, let's see if any of these sold.
There's a code.
So none sold, which is probably why there's tons of them sitting at Goodwill right now. No network found. Of course not. Let's check these knickknacks. Hey, look at this old Mickey Mouse phone.
That's what it does. It rings it. Oh, his phone. His beautiful little phone.
Oh, this guy is really cool. Let's see what they have for games here. G.I. Joe Season 1. Whoa.
Sly 2. They actually have quite a bit of games here. There's $7 here. I forgot there's $7 at this location. Let's go check out the toy section, see what's going on over here. There's a lot of plush over here. Look at this.
How do you do that?
Impressive is how Sonic described it.
I'm gonna wreck it. This guy's not made to get out of here. His hand got stuck.
Oh, look, it's Penelope.
Oh, this is Penelope. Watch her get some crazy.
Oh, look, she's only $1.18.
I'm gonna wreck it.
Little Tommy Bahama purple, which is half off, but it's too small and it has stains for us here. Columbia PFG blue. Pretty pricey here today. Little Hugo Boss. $12. Stain. All right, so that trip was
A waste of time.
a big fat waste of time. But you still got to go, right? Like, the only way to find stuff is by going. So you're not going to find stuff every time. And I would have to say that this is probably the worst trip that we've had in a while. Yeah? It was pretty bad. We found like 3 things. So, yeah, we'll have to show you guys when we get to the house. But it's not impressive. We're not home yet, obviously.
But he's happy now.
But I am happy now. So, earlier when I was telling you about the guy who
Or
opened the
girl.
return, whatever, yeah, the person, the buyer
There we go.
who opened the return and claimed that the item wasn't working like at all. So I responded, and I responded with, I basically said, you know, I'm a little confused as to how there's so many things wrong with the item because we tested it to be, you know, in working order. And anyway, long story short, we just found it really odd. And we were waiting for his response because we also asked him if him or her, the buyer, if
If the box
was damaged or anything, so that we can determine, you know, maybe if it was the box was damaged, then maybe that's an insurance claim. And then we just received an email that the return was closed by the buyer because the buyer decided to keep the item. It says, customer decided to keep non-working item for parts. No need to refund now.
A little fishy.
Yeah, well, we already knew it was fishy. So what happened is that he grew a conscience, he or she, the buyer, gosh, brother, grew a conscience and did the right thing. So, yeah, my day has been made. I don't have to deal with this now. It's awesome. All right, guys, I'm back at the house finally. Traffic was horrible. Rush hour in this area is like kind of like watching paint dry. So anyway, we're home, and are you guys ready for the most amazing haul you've ever seen? Here it is. Bam!
3 items. And 2 of them we're keeping for ourselves. You got Wreck-It Ralph here. Let's see, Wreck-It Ralph. Make some noise, buddy. There you go. He was really cool. He was about $1 or $2, if I remember correctly. What about your other arm, Wreck-It? Okay, then we got Penelope. Her hair was cut though, a little bit, but whatever. And she was like $1. And then here is our item for resale. It's Athleta. It was $4. And here's the tag. You can see it. And that'll go for about 20 to 25. Some of them go as much as $38, somewhere around $40, but I don't think that's this one. I think this one's probably about 20, 25. Wifey does the listing, so I'm sure she'll price it right. So yeah, that was our amazing haul for today. So sometimes it's like that. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Sharing's caring.
Till next time.
Bye-bye.